Welcome to the second online session on fundamentals of additive manufacturing technologies in 2025. If the learners have any doubt, uh, please feel free to ask. You can type your doubts in the chat box and we can discuss here. Once again, those have joined and want to ask any doubt related to the course may type their queries in the chat box. Or I guess you can unmute and ask as well.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening. Yes, Dinesh.
Yes, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, fine, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, your lectures are very good
Thank you.
and questions are really tough.
Good for you, for
Yeah, it's
sure.
good for you. Yeah.
Yes,
Um,
because
uh, in the positive aspect, I would like to highlight this uh, learn by mistakes.
yes, I agree. And don't worry, even though these assignment questions are tough, I made them deliberately, not
Yes,
so
sir.
easy, because that is the real aim. You know,
Yes, sir.
uh, not
After
only
seeing the solution, after seeing the solution, I learned where I was lacking. It
good
was
to know.
pretty good. So I was up to maximum. I reached 75 marks up to your assignments by small mistakes, committing small mistakes like instead of substituting diameter radius,
Ah,
I like the small mistakes I committed so that I lost marks. So, but it's really learning by mistakes, which makes me very good. And as per my request, please do the favor that give some problems you can post in NPTL so that we can able to solve and see for examination. It will be very easy for us. And because a lot of equations are there, uh, because we can't memorize all those things, we should memorize and all those things, which will be pretty difficult. So if you give a question bank so that we can solve some problems and it will be make easier for to attend the exam in a confident level.
I agree
This
with
request,
you. Uh,
this request I made last time. Mhm. Same
and I,
request.
I said that you will. I'm developing the question bank, which is still I think will take some more time. I can tell you few things. The question paper have been prepared very well as per the guidelines of NPTEL this year. I did it very thoroughly based on the instructions of NPTEL. So read the instructions of NPTEL team you might have received about the, the pattern of exam. ठीक है? I can only tell you assignments are of course keeping in mind that there are a lot of equations. Even I can't remember all those equations, and I agree. That is why the assignment level is different. The exam level will be different because I know you may not have the resources with you. Um, and I also believe in my teaching. Of course, we have to remember few things, but mugging is not really required. Uh, and the formulas, of course, may be required. You should go through, um, but not as in case of the assignment because I'm not saying how the question paper will look like, but what I'm saying is assignments are prepared keeping in mind that you have access to lectures, notes, and everything, while exam is not. So we have kept that in mind.
Because in week 7, I found a very big equation for delta P.
Uh,
Uh,
yeah, pressure difference of FDM, right? I
yeah,
remember that. That is,
delta P
yeah,
with the temperature, without temperature, uh, then region of region 1, region 2, region 3.
I
After really that which equation I should take is was very confusing for me at the time of solving the assignment.
I completely
So
understand. Even
can you make it clear, sir, which equation we should take for the region like that?
oh, yes, it is given up P1, P2, and P3. The reason wise it is given
Yes,
the
sir.
pressure drop in one region, pressure drop in second region, pressure drop in third region. So if there will be any questions, it will clearly mention the reason.
Okay.
That is obvious, right? I know, but it's a huge equation. I also know that, but it is important for you to learn. You might have never seen FDM as such complicated machine, right? On the formulation side, it looks like
Yes,
I've put a
yes.
wire and it works, right? That's not true,
Yeah.
correct? So there's a lot of
Yes, even
scientific investments has gone into
actually,
these.
I'm doing PG certificate program additive manufacturing in IIT Palakkad. So because of that, I took that course. So I did some project work on the stainless steel SS309L. So what you said is exactly it is implicate that that means the standoff distance they kept more so that the bead is coming irregularly. Bead width is coming irregular. Uh, so I found that by hearing your lecture only. So then afterwards, next again I changed the standoff distance so that we got the bead width correctly.
I agree. Standoff distance is a very important parameter. Tool paths on top is another very important parameter, highly ignored.
Yes.
And the power and speed are the not only parameter, but yes, even material changes, standoff distance play a crucial role in bridge transformation and all that, right? For metal, it's important, and I'm
Yes,
glad
sir.
that you learned it. Nice. Okay,
So
and
tutor
yes,
solving problems, which is the replicate of the last year previous same things or problems only. I didn't find new problems,
in the assignments.
not assignments, sir. Uh, Videos. Tutor who solved last time the same problems are repeating the same this time also.
Okay, who is the tutor? What is the name? Uh, they are
Uh,
the
the second
the
second day who was connecting Tuesday.
PMRF fellows, right?
Yes.
I'll look into it. I'll make a note of this. We'll talk to the fellow. Up now we can't do anything, but it's a good feedback, Dinesh.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
You are giving this feedback. But I'll keep it that in mind to instruct the tutor that I know it's a lot work. Again, I'll
Yes, sir.
check. Hmm.
He's doing good. He's solving problems, but the same thing problems are repeated. So I did not get any new problems from the last year to this year. That was making you depressed. And second thing, first tutor who is uh, teaching on concept of theory concepts. The second tutor is teaching on problems. That is very good. But all the things are related to only the previous same discussions.
I will make a
If
note
it is
of
a
this. I will make a note of this for sure, Dinesh. But
yes,
it is sometimes difficult also because I'll tell you
yeah,
that I got a feedback as well on keeping. I mean, last year that assignment problems are similar, and there are many YouTube channels. Those are uploading those solutions to the assignments. So
yes,
I know there are two type of students: those who wants to learn, those who do not want to learn. And this is the fifth, sixth time this course is running. There is no, question bank available. It's a very new course, right? We are building, we are learning, we make mistakes. The problems particularly, we have created a bank over the period of time, and I know this bank is now growing, but even it will be difficult for tutor to give each year a new problem. I know because you want to see from the past. I'll ask them to create at least one or two sets for them, or I'll give them some problems so that they can show from the last year assignment or something like this. That may make some difference, I'm sure. But creating problems, we have more than 1,000 now.
no, no,
Assignments are
no,
not
not
repeating.
you. I think you meant wrong. I'm telling that if the problem is new, if it given for us to solve, it will be a better before it's we can solve some
Problems are
problems.
new.
No, if you give problems something new, we can solve and we can discuss with the tutor. instead of already problem assigned. We can discuss and we can clarify the doubts with the tutor, because the doubt session is not taking care of that research that Tuesday person who is coming. He is just explaining the problem, explain correctly and very neatly. He is explaining, but where we got doubt and how to select equation, if I want to ask, there is no option in that. He is just closing off.
Noted. I will look into that. That what tutor is doing. I'll look into it. It's on me. If not this year, next year will improve the nation.
Okay.
Done. Thank you. Thank you. It's a good feedback. I'll check who is the tutor. I think he's running the old video and he's not there at all. Looks like, but I'll look into it. Okay.
But quite impressive, sir. I'm very much impressed with your lecture.
I'm glad that.
Very good.
Thank you. I hope you got the notes. I told that you can download all the PPTs and everything available on LinkedIn. I think last time you asked that. Yes, good. I hope that
yes, sir. Yes. Only thing, because of our schedule, as I am also faculty, I could not find time to go through all the notes completely. But even though I am spending much time on your course, but I could not able to solve solutions completely. When I see solution where I did mistakes, so from mistake I'm learning. So that's why I'm not able to achieve after 75. 75 is the highest mark, and some assignments I got 90 and 92.
Good. It's a good progress. Let me tell you. Very nice.
Huh?
It's a good progress.
Yeah.
Okay, if there are no more questions, I see only Dinesh in the call. We had a discussion. If you do not have any question further, Dinesh, then we can end the session. And if you have, you may ask.
That's what I told now very clear. I told very clearly that I learned by mistakes. It's very good.
Okay, keep learning. So anybody is having any other doubts? Okay, please ask or type in the chat box. Or otherwise, I request NPTEL IITG team to opine whether should I stay or we can end the session now. We can end the session. Thank you. This was the second live session on fundamentals of additive manufacturing in 2025. I hope you are learning, and I wish you all the best for the final exam.